Loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we're back with another nail haul for you all, and the majority of these items are Christmas related. So yeah, I was really excited to bring you guys a Shein haul and some things. Yeah, it's everything's from Shein, and then we have one item from Aliexpress. So here I'm just using this little really cute trinket or whatever it's called, like a little this really cute heart. Okay, you know this, yeah, it's like a little trinket in a heart shape. And I did see these on Shein, I believe, but they also have them through Aliexpress, which is where I purchased them. So I'm just going to be showing you them in this for today's video. I think it's just a lot easier. So these are so gorgeous in my personal opinion. I think they would look super pretty on a nail. So those are the first pair of charms that we have. I definitely always recommend anyone to go check out Shein just because very inexpensive, very affordable. The shipping takes 2 weeks standard. Usually it comes earlier though, and if you do expedited, it comes within a week. So really good there. And then they are constantly updating new stuff on there, so that's really good, but bad at the same time, you know, if you know what I mean about spending on there. But I mean, sometimes you can't help it. So here we have a variety of different charms, and I thought this was really cute. I'm super happy because for this year, when it comes to the holidays, I'm gonna have so much to work with. You know, I think the previous year I didn't really have that many things, so this year I have charms, foils, glitters, you name it. So even though sometimes, believe it or not, the more you have, like, the less you know what to do. So like the weirdest thing. You do have more options, but it's like at the same time you don't really know what to come up with. So here we have this little tray of female slices, which I absolutely love female slices for encapsulation and stuff. So I was really happy to come across this and pick it up. So I'm just gonna show you for example, these are what the candy canes look like. Super cute. And then we also have these right here, and they're just like random Christmas like stuff, which is really cute. Then we also have, I think these are stockings or something like that. Really nice. And what I really appreciate is that Shein has a lot of stuff for Christmas, nail art related, and I'm pretty sure on their website in general, but I honestly usually just go on there for nail art, but they definitely have everything, so that's really cool. Just gonna show you a little bit more up close. Some Santa's, really cute. So here's just like a random one. Have some snowflakes. You have some Christmas trees. Some Santas. Cannot wait for the holidays. Let me know down below, what is your favorite thing like about the holidays? Gift giving, receiving gifts, opening gifts, Christmas Eve, the actual day of Christmas, the food, everything. Let me know. Putting up the Christmas tree. Do you guys prefer an aesthetic, like a fake one, or a real Christmas tree? Do you guys like the smell of pine? A real Christmas tree. So yeah, this was really cute. I really like this. Very nice. I definitely want to bake some cookies this year for Christmas. Some Christmas cookies. So next we have some glitter. So it comes with a brush. This is a brush that you receive. And then it comes with these two glitters. So you can use this like doing a raw glitter mix just as it is. Or you can also use it for glitter acrylic mixes or to make like resin stuff. Whatever you desire, really. So I got those. You just can never have enough shaped glitter. Okay. And then next we have I love these little boxes of like different stuff in it. So this has a variety of different size rhinestones. Different size rhinestones along with some charms for Christmas. So you got a Christmas present, a snowman, and Santa, and a bunch of, oh, and you also get a Christmas tree. So it's really, really nice. I got a bunch of these, which whatever I saw, I just purchased. So really, really, really like these. And I can't wait to organize all my Christmas stuff. I think I'm going to do a whole container because I did purchase some through Shein, just of like my Christmas charms, because I have a lot. And I don't want to, those Christmas charms, I just want to keep them together if I'm able to. So next here we have some foils. I did mention they have a ton of foils. So I saw these and I thought they were gorgeous and I had to get them. That's what they look like. Very, very nice. So I'm just going to put them here to the side. And next we have these. These are so beautiful. I love these. I don't have anything like these. And these are the shorter ones. The ones that usually come in this packaging are because they're shorter. And then we have this one. We also get this one. Get that one. I get this one. And then you get this one. So those are the foils that you receive through this little thing of foils, which I absolutely love. Then next we're moving on to some charms, but these are not these aren't they're not Christmas related, but they're like really cute. So they're like little fairies or little, I don't know, they look very kawaii to me, so I had to get these. So these are really pretty when I saw them. So you get 2 of each, and this is what they look like. Super, super cute. Really, really like those. I like how every girl has like a different hair color. It's really cute. I do not want this video to be so boring, so I'm trying to go as fast as I can because I don't want to like take so much time and like putting things back together. No, I want to make it entertaining and fun. So next we have some female slices, and these are like some sweets, so we get candies and stuff and desserts. But this is really cute, and I feel like you can never have enough of these, so I said why not get some. And I'm not gonna take that out because you can see through it. Ooh, so I love the ones that come in here because I don't know, they're just super cute. Okay, so here we have some really cute snowmans, and I love how, for example, like they're literally the perfect size for the nail, like literally. So I really, really like that. But these do only incorporate 4. For some reason, some incorporate more than others. Not really sure why, but that's perfectly fine, just in case you want to buy doubles or triples. It's up to you. And this just came yesterday, so I like to show them as they arrive. This is from Aliexpress. I ordered a candy silicone, so these are to make chocolate candies. And then I checked my collection. I actually already have this one, so I guess I have a double of this one now. So it's just to create a mold of chocolate, like chocolates and stuff. I absolutely love silicone molds. If you guys haven't checked out my video on how to create 3D charms, definitely go ahead and do so. Very, very fun video. Okay, so next we also have some shaped glitter, and these are just some iridescent I don't know if these are, yeah, maybe like iridescent, lime green, glitter shapes. And I thought this was a really pretty color. I didn't have this, so right now I'm like really loving collecting glitter. So next we have a variety of different bigger Christmas type of charms. Like I mentioned, definitely check out Shein because they have such awesome things right now for the holidays. So here's the first batch. You get all these really cute charms. I'm gonna do them in fours for you guys get to see everything that it comes with. I apologize for that. Okay. So here we have these. Then we get these. Oh, that's so cute. These are really cute charms. And then we have these. So for this one, you get 20, which is really good because I think this was like $2 or something like that. Very inexpensive, and you get a ton. So definitely check Shein out. I mean, I don't know, I can't stress it enough if you're able to. And now we're gonna go ahead and get some more goodies out of the bag. Okay, so next we have some, I think these are water decals. Yes, they are. So we have these. We also get these. We get these as well. We get these. And then we get these. These are really cute. I like these. Okay. Now here we have some multicolored embellishments. So we get rose gold or like copper, and we also get some silver snowflakes. I don't know if you guys could really see, but I hope you can. These are amazing for encapsulation. And now we're moving on to some more charms. I love charms. Like, literally can never get enough. Like, I just can't. Just fix them up really quickly for you guys can see all the ones that it incorporates. It is a mixture of different Christmas charms. So I want to make sure you guys get an up close look of all of them. So these are absolutely stunning in my personal opinion. I think Shein definitely outdid themselves this year with amazing holiday nail art. Really, it's just so gorgeous, very inexpensive, very affordable. Like, you just can't go wrong. I mean, you can buy this stuff in other websites, but it will cost you a lot more. So that's why I like, when it comes to nail art, I only shop on Shein because I feel like it's the most affordable. But I mean, if obviously I go on other sites and I see charms that I like, I will go ahead and buy those. But I'm just saying, like, you don't want to spend a lot of money on something, or you want some, you know, to like grow your collection, but you don't want to spend a lot of money, definitely go to Shein. And here I got some dangling charms, because if you guys know me, you know that I absolutely love dangling charms, and I think they look beautiful and nail look, so I definitely had to bring some for the holidays. So I'm gonna just start by showing you guys a couple at a time. for y'all to see. So I'm definitely gonna be incorporating some of these in nail looks. Look how cute. Like as a dangling charm. I absolutely love these. I think they're so beautiful. I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, but it definitely is mine. So I definitely wanted to get some Christmas ones because I didn't have any. And this brings a lot. Definitely brings a lot. So there you have it. You get a ton. So that is honestly amazing. I'm really happy that I purchased that. Because now at least I have some Christmas ones. Because I didn't think I had any. So. Okay, so next we have some more charms. Ooh, so here we have some gifts. These are really pretty. I love the color. Very beautiful. And next we have some more charms. Oh, so these are the same ones I had showed you earlier. They're just in silver. The other ones that I had showed you were in gold. So I got in silver and in gold. It's really hard for me to incorporate silver in any nail look just because I don't know, I gravitate more towards gold, but the reality is I love both. If anything, yeah, I do love both, so I'm just trying to incorporate more silver charms in my collection just because you know, you have to have a variety of everything. Well, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. I appreciate each and every one of you all. Thank you guys once again. Let me know down below in the comments what was your favorite item or items in today's haul. Thank you guys once again. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next upload.